My name's Reagan Wilbanks. I'm from, I guess, Reagan Wilbanks Creations. That's my other YouTube channel that I mainly post a lot of stuff that I make on. Well, now I'm going to start doing something a little new. I'm going to try to do a vlog for my new project, which is, it's going to be pretty fun. It's going to be extensive. It's going to take a long time, so I figured I'd try to do like a weekly video, basically just summarizing what I've done for that week. And, well, the project that I'm working on right now is, well, it's Algae Biofuel. Yeah, that's right, algae. That little green stuff that's in your swimming pool and the dog bowl, all that good stuff. Well, apparently you can turn that into biofuel by harvesting the algae and then extracting the lipids and turning that oil into crude oil and then refining that into ethanol and stuff like that. Well, some of that information might be wrong, but I don't know. I've done a little bit of research in the past, but this is going to basically be a little video series on my research into algae biofuel. I think it's going to be a good thing to do. I'm really interested in it. I like using the microscope and stuff like that. This project's going to kind of be split up into some phases, like Marvel. Phase 1, which is what I'm on right now, it's going to be mainly algae identification. So I'm going to try to just collect different samples from around like my area and try to find basically what algae is what. Like try to classify it, find out what kingdom and all that stuff it falls under. And let's hope that this works out pretty well. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. Let's see how it works. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this thing every week, but I'm going to try. So this is going to be video 0 for the series. I'm going to try to do it all in one shot, and I'm not going to try to do any editing. I might try to add some more pictures in. But, not really that sure what to do now. Alright, I'm going to stop.